Here's how to fix Instagram not posting up to 20 photos. Now, you should be able to open up the Instagram app here and tap the plus at the bottom center. Now, to upload a bunch of photos and videos, you can tap on those two squares to the top right, and you should be able to select a bunch of these different photos and videos, and you should be able to get up to 20. If that's not working for you, there are two different options. The first option is to exit out of here and close out of Instagram, and we'll go into your settings app. So open up your settings here. And from settings, we'll scroll down a little bit and tap on general here. If you're on an iPhone, if you're on an Android, you can still go to your settings and just find the Instagram app. Now from here, tap on iPhone storage. And on your iPhone, we're going to find Instagram and we're going to offload it and reinstall it. If you're on Android, you're just going to clear the cache and clear the storage for that specific app. And then we'll tap reinstall. What this does is it clears out all of the temporary files and it force updates it to the latest version of Instagram. A lot of times this fixes bugs or glitches because you should be able to upload up to 20 photos or videos on one specific post. Now, if you go through all those steps and it still doesn't work, you do have another option. Let's open up the Instagram app here. Tap on the profile at the bottom right. And then we'll get into your settings by tapping on the three lines at the top right. Once we're in your settings, all you need to do is switch to a professional mode on your Instagram account. So at the very top, just search for professional, and you can tap on either add a new professional account on here, or you can tap on to switch to a professional account. I already have a professional account, but you can just switch your account to professional. And a lot of times that adds additional features, including uploading up to those 20 photos.